how about that?
Give Dad a...
Hey, give me one of these. There you go. Man, got out here with family on Christmas Eve. We called this stand a blank. We had some deer blow out right by the call. Pretty sure that meant there was a coyote. You know, finished off with some pup sounds and shut the call off, getting ready to pack up. This coyote came out. Managed to get the call back on, turned him, got him killed. Got some family time on Christmas Eve, hitting a couple of farms trying to call coyotes in. First stand, knocked this old female down. We're gonna drag her back to the truck.